So, hello everybody. Today, when you're standing in a park, it's potential energy. When you're running in the park, it's kinetic energy. So, let's do this quiz and learn about more things. The faster the object moves, the more kinetic energy it has. Dominoes that are not up on the floor. Potential. What kind of energy is an acorn hanging on from an oak tree? Potential. A release balloon that is full of air and is flying around the room. The balloon has kinetic energy. Flying once must read the quiz before class. A slinky is moving down a set of stairs. Kinetic. The layout created destroyed. If the right answers were grass. So funny. Which is the best example of an object having kinetic energy? A tennis ball rolling across the court. A baseball head held by a pitcher has potential still being held. What energy it is going to fall? You know that, I know that, but it's still sitting on the cliff. So it's potential energy. A quarterback throwing a football to the wide receiver. The ball has what type of energy? Kinetic. Does a volleyball have just one redemption question we have to do. Oh, here's a redemption. Energy is the ability to do work or cause change. This is an example of what type of energy? Simple. Kinetic. What kind of energy is a moving skateboard? Kinetic. If right answer is woman. Holding a marble at the top of a ramp. Potential. Energy in motion is kinetic energy. Immunity. A skier on top of the mountain is an example of potential. And potential energy is what is an example of potential energy? A pulled back string on an archer row. It is going to move, I know, but it is still in position. It's ready to move. Kinetic. When you put a ribbon, you're storing potential energy. The quiz team. The end. So hope you enjoyed. And remember that potential energy is not in motion and kinetic energy is in motion.